Did you know that a clean home can significantly boost buyer trust? When potential buyers step into a property, their first impression is crucial. A spotless environment not only showcases the home's best features, but also signals that the property has been well cared for. This is where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in, bringing a veteran-owned touch to your real estate needs. Our professional team specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they sparkle before open houses and buyer visits. With our quick turnarounds, you'll never miss a chance to impress prospective buyers. Imagine walking into a home with gleaming countertops and fresh-smelling rooms. That's the kind of welcoming atmosphere that makes buyers feel at ease. Plus, here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This simple act brightens up the space and creates an inviting ambiance that can sway a buyer's decision. Remember, a clean home builds credibility, and with TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're investing in a strategy to close deals faster. Check the video description for more details and contact us today for a brighter future in real estate.